Okay, 444, number 10. Shortly to depart Brockenhurst for London Waterloo. This train's from Poole and Weymouth to London Waterloo. The one I know. Done that. There we go. Got the one starting. I know it started playing, so just give me a say. I'll different from this one go. Yeah, there it goes. Cold in your hat, mate. Yep, 10 car go away. Yep. There he goes. And oh, the new livery train. One of those beautiful ones that I love so much. There he goes. There goes number 40, the beautiful livery. Man, good to see them. That's from Weymouth, so there you go.